Welcome to Quick Minutes IT Tips with Dr. Chang. For today's episode, we are going to learn how to split and merge PDF files by using the PDF Merger and Splitter application in Windows 10 and 11. If you have a PDF file that you need to split or merge, the Adobe PDF Reader doesn't supply the functionality. If you have Windows 10 or 11, you can use a free application called PDF Merger and Splitter to split and merge the file as needed. To install the application, open up the Microsoft Store and search for PDF Merger and Splitter. Find the application from AnywaySoft. Install the app. Once done, you can open up the application to quickly split and merge PDF files as needed. So this ends this hot IT tip. If you have additional IT questions that need answering, please leave a comment in the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next episode.